This is how to undelete a web page that you've deleted and then realize that you shouldn't have deleted and you want to bring it back. So if you go from your control panel, My Websites, Main, Pages, and click on the Edit Web Pages, Show All button. That will show you the page that we're seeing here, and down at the bottom you'll see list the X number of deleted web pages, and that number will obviously vary depending on how many pages you have deleted. But if you click on that link, it will show you those pages that you've already got deleted. And all you need to do is to click on the page that you want to bring back. So you click on the name of the page underneath the title edit column. Click on the name of the page, which will open up the editing part of that page. And you'll see near the top when the page was deleted, and you just untick those two checkboxes and save all, and that will put the page back in to your navigation menu.